Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangpa Kajala Ukan Jhadc Sangma, Ulapun Bena Baka Sorkar Jala Kala Pyllait, Klur Tingka Shaga Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council, Kabalong Nakabaha Jongka Kajana Balalum Naki Marpo Kendo. Usangma Uliat Ho Ekani Kajinya Kran Berkilat Pathai Kubor, Hadian Kajinya Lang Bat KMDC, Jongka Liang Senshar, Jongka Jhadc, Ha Orchid in, Thatlaskane, West Jhadc Hills District, Haka Arpue Tarik Ubnai Jamang. Menteri Rangpa Uliat Ho Shushu, Bahapo Arnelai Tayo, ke Sorkar Jala kan Pyllait sakat kandai Klur Tingka syaga Jhadc. Hagani kajinya kendo nalor ukan Jhadc sangma ladan langru usembut Menteri Rangpa Kajala uba asnya balang dhar Menteri Sorkar uba coming one amban UMLA kejuai uba wailan Miki Shila UCM Jhadc uba thombor shiwat usangma uliat hu bakamat kebakongsan hagajinya keran barki MDC jong ke Jhadc kalong shisha kamat jong ke tulap ke badang sateng bar ke jinglong jingman hakaliang ke Pisa tingka. Ulong bagajing hakaliang ke Pisa tingka ke council kami nakadaw ke jingkhang ti doyong ke balakta ikilat kamai bat ke bala shimpor ban penbet mentang ilapoy hakbenta bat ngila penbet renti hendrei ke jingta hakaliang ke Pisa tingka kadang don Jhadc bat hakiwipat ke district council jong ke jela ulaong nolor kata hakani ke jinga kendu bat ki MDC ukan rat sangma ule kran ru halor kilat kilinti ban trilang ban kershan omtang ye ke Jhadc hendrei kiwipat ke district council kumju bantre ban penkelador ki council lakalong hakaliang ke senshar khadar bat ke Pisa tingka ulong babaro akimat ki balekran an sabut dien bat andan Biang ke jingalang hakini ki arlai singi banwan hak ba usembut Menteri Rangpa Kajala uba asnya bhalang dhar unse kendu Biang ye ki dekhot ke council bot sa ke jinga mirjumut bat ki he ke tanat platingka banwat ekilat klinti ban penjam ye jing ke council.
The major issue in the Jhadc is, of course, the issue of pending salaries and the overall financial stability in the Jhadc as a result of, obviously, different bans on coal mining earlier, which then has taken time to now streamline. But as I said, we have now reached to the point where we have streamlined it to a large extent. But the financial impact has still been there on the Jhadc and on the other district councils of the state. So those were discussed in detail. I, of course, shared with the MDCs that we have just sanctioned another 20 crores out of the dues that are there for the council. Another 19 crores is due. Hopefully, in a couple of weeks or maximum 3 weeks' time, we should be able to release that also. So that should give some stability and some kind of release the pressure of the Jhadc. And in the meantime, we are also discussing with them regarding future ways and means in which we could work together to find ways in to support the Jhadc and the other district councils also, and also work towards reforming the councils, whether it's administratively, financially, and overall, to see the overall working of the councils. So all those matters were discussed, and we will be following up this meeting by having another meeting in the next 2-3 days. Deputy CM will be meeting them, and then post that we will be meeting other at finance level and other levels to then again further discuss the matter. I hope that as we move further, we are working on a long-term solution to this problem so that once and for all we can see some kind of financial stability in the council. But it's still in planning stage, so I'll refrain from giving details right now. No, it's not a simple issue. It's very complicated. It has got huge impacts. We will see how we can address the issue, but at the end of the day, we have to look at how we can create stability there in terms of finance. And with that objective, we will explore all possible options.